Hello guys and welcome back to my third tutorial in the Scratch 1.4 series from Unknown Knowledge. I hope you enjoyed my past two tutorials and yeah, let's get into Scratch 1.4. So in our last tutorial we talked about getting a background, talked about these tabs and other cool stuff. But in this video we are actually going into letting your sprite say something or even ask something like, "What's your name?" or "Hey, you look cool today," anything. But for your sprite to say something, you're gonna go into looks and spot the say blocks. For me, I really recommend this one that says say hello for 2 seconds, because with this one you can do more stuff. You can say like hey, just enter, and then you can also say for what amount of seconds it must say it. With this one it's not so much accurate, but it's quite the same. And then you also get your think, which is exactly the same as say. There's only one difference, and that is that when you use a think, it will give clouds. But if you say something, it will give a speech bubble. So to run this, you go to control and get this one. So what this basically does is it's when the green flag button is clicked, then it will, it's this green flag over here, then it will do what's under it. So let's put it in and let's run it. Please note that you can also put like in your own amount of seconds. I'm not doing that, but yeah. Okay, so as you have seen, it does work. It's saying hi, speech bubble, 2 seconds, and clouds, 2 seconds. So that is pretty much working. But let's say you want to ask a question. To do that, you go into sensing and get an ask block. Now the ask block is almost like the same one. It's just that when you ask something, it will give a block down here for you to put your answer in. So you can also put in your own thing. I'm not going to do that, like your own question, but let's just run it and test it out. And now it's asking us, what's your name? So our name, let's just type it in. Unknown Knowledge. And press enter. And it's working. But let's say you wanna, let's say save the answer from that ask. So to do that, let's just grab a few blocks so I can do this. Grab this one, operators, this one, and the last one. Okay. So if you are asking a question and you want to say like if answer equals unknown knowledge, unknown knowledge, I don't know, I'm making so many errors, but unknown knowledge. Okay, then you can put under it what you want to do. So what this is going to do is it's going to ask us the question, what's your name? Now if the answer from our question that we typed in equals unknown knowledge, then it must say, let's just put this one in, say hello. Okay, so let's test it out. Hi, what's your name? Unknown knowledge and press enter. Hello. So as you've seen, it's working. And the say hello is saying it forever like I told you. But now let's say we are going into if, and if it's not unknown knowledge, then we want to do something else. Now this is where this block comes in handy. So what this block is, the if else block is, I also want to say like exactly the same. All that this one does, it is going to get your unknown knowledge, and then when you say hello, and then it's going to do what you've put it on the if. But if it's not that one, then it will do the else function. And then we wanted to say, I do not know you. Press enter, and let's test it out. Have 2 seconds, think for 2 seconds, and then what's your name? So we already know that the unknown knowledge is going to work. Let's say you just put in anything like, let's put in Bierik. That's not a bad name, it's just a regular name. Let's press enter. I do not know you. So, as you can see, that is working as we wanted to. So let's just do a quick recap. We engage the say blocks. It's say, put in your custom amount for a separate amount of seconds. Think goes in a cloud thingy and does that. Ask is when you ask a question and you want to retrieve the answer from it. You go if answer equals something, your own name, let's just say unknown knowledge, then you must do this, else it's going to do that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next tutorial, and please remember to like or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye bye.